Everybody, this is Leslie of Silver Moon Creations. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have my Beebeecraft stuff that Beebeecraft was lovely enough to send out to me, and so we're going to do an unboxing today. And real quick, I'm going to give you all the information. If you are a content creator, especially dealing in card making, jewelry work, if you use a lot of beads, they have a whole bunch of different stuff. They even have fabrics and stuff for sewing. They actually have a YouTube program where you will get free products. If you have more than 100 subscribers, you can certainly head over and you can apply for the YouTube program. And what I will do is I will put all of the information in my description box. And also too, every time that you do something, they are really nice that they give you a discount code, so that if you have any of your subscribers that want to purchase anything from Beebeecraft, which I would certainly suggest because they really have amazing stuff. It takes me forever to finally choose what I'm going to choose to work on because they're website is so extensive with so many different companies. But my discount code is Moon10, which I will put also in the description and also in the title of this video. So let's get into what I ordered. And I'm just going to pull everything out right now. We'll start off with this. And I love it too because they have the stuff in the boxes, so you don't have to try and find a place. That's my issue. I have to constantly look for something to put my beads and stuff in, and then I can never find anything. And the other thing too is everything that I've purchased will be listed down below in my description box, so it will be easy for you to actually find if you're interested in the product that I am showing you. So here is all the different beads. This was like a black and white and gray bead box, which is perfect for this time of the year. So I will be probably making dangles and stuff from this stuff. So just be aware of what's coming. But like I said, you have these littler beads, you have a little bit bigger bead, and you have these nice seed beads, which is perfect for the ends of your pin heads when you're actually creating the beads. So this is going to be perfect for what I need it for. So that's number one. Then these are spacer beads, and I got them in the black. I'm not going to open it because it will go all over the place, but they're the smaller ones for the smaller beads, and they have the black stones going around. So that was why I wanted those, because I already have some clear ones, but I don't have anything this small. And also too, I wanted something that was in the black. Some string, because I'm probably going to also, let me lift you up here a little bit. I'm going to be making some bracelets. So I got them in the clear and I got them in the black. So you get 4 of each, and it is the 0.6 millimeter, and you get 15 meters. So that is more than enough. This is very thin, but I really don't need anything real thick. So those are another one of my choices. And we'll go to this one. And I needed more jump rings. because yesterday when I was making a dangle, I was like searching through trying to find my jump rings in a mess because my box broke and I haven't been able to actually separate everything because I have gems in there, you name it, I've got everything in there. But again, you have this wonderful box that it comes in, and these are pretty good because they're not real thin. Hopefully you could see that, because sometimes they're so thin that it's easy for them to like break, but you get all the different colors. Like you get a shiny, like I love this one because it's really, really shiny. I love the shiny silver. And then on this side, you get more of an antique brass type of color. And so you get two of each, you get two compartments each, so you get a lot. And then here you have the gold. See, I'm a silver person, so I don't tend to use gold very often. And then you get like a gunmetal. Oh, there we go, look at that. Which, that too is phenomenal because that's really great at this time of the year. So that is something else that I chose. And then we have this one, and this is from the Panda Hall company, which you get through Beebeecraft. And these are the bubblegum beads in the orange, because I have the black and I have purple, and I kind of wanted to get the orange. And again, I love it because they give you the container to put them in. And then the other thing too is they give you some spacer beads. Whoop. And they give you some wire. And I don't know if they give you chain, I can't really tell. It looks like they may actually give you a little bit of chain too. But that's really cool that they do that. And they got some lobster claw clasps and stuff in there. But like you have some smooth ones, you have some textured ones, and then you get these, which I love. And then you get some polka dots. And then you get the shiny metallic one. And then you get some striped, and then you get the crackle, which I absolutely love the crackle ones. Oh, and you have one that has a heart. Oh, that's pretty cool. And then you have one that has hearts. And I think that's it. Yep. So that is what you get. Hopefully this box is going to close now. Oh, it does perfectly. So that's what you get all in that box. And don't forget, if you're interested in any of these, use my code so you get 10% off. And then these I was looking for because I don't have anything that's flat back. And when I was trying to do chunky embellishments, I'm like, I don't have anything to put in my bows, no nothing. So I found this, so I was like, ooh, perfect. I think this one is really cool, this one right here. And then you have some little pumpkins. Let's see what we got. I really like those. Those are really cool. Is that all? No, here's another pumpkin face here. Just trying to see if I have everything out here. I think I do now. Yep. So that is all of the designs. So I think those are pretty cool. I don't remember exactly how many you got in here, but as you could see, you get quite a bit. There's a lot in here. So I will be, in the next 2 weeks, I will be creating stuff for my videos that I need to do for Beebeecraft. So stay tuned for those. Like I said, I will try to get to them at the end of this week. If not, maybe even tomorrow I may start working on some stuff. But I got it, barely. All right, so this is what we have. So we have our flat backs, Halloween, and then we have our bubblegum beads in the orange. We have our jump rings, and then we have our black and silver and white beads, and then we also have our spacer beads. So that is everything. So thank you all for joining me today, and don't forget, if you're interested, head over to Beebeecraft and I will give you all of the information down below. And also too, if you are a YouTuber that has 100 subscribers or more, you can certainly join up for their YouTube program. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Take care, everybody. Bye.